How to screen record on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you two different ways on how you can record the screen on your laptop. So the first method we're going to talk about is by using third-party applications such as Camtasia, OBS, etc. And the second method we'll be talking about is how you can screen record without using any apps or software. So the first method will simply use Camtasia 2022, which I already have installed on my computer. Now you can use any other apps such as Bandicam, OBS, Camtasia, etc. Now once you're on the app, simply tap on the option record. And then you can choose what portion of the screen you want to record. For now, I'll simply go with screen 1, which is the full screen. And then if you want, you can turn microphone on. And if you want, you can simply turn this feature off. Now, simply tap on the option record and then it will start the record within 3 seconds. And now let me show you an example. This is how you record your screen. So let me simply end this recording, and now let me play this for you. And now let me show you an example. This is how you record your screen. So that is one way on how you can record your screen on your laptop. Now the second method we're going to talk about is without using any application. So to do that, it is really easy. All you have to do is simply tap on the keys Windows and G both at once, and then you will be taken to somewhat this page where first of all you'll have to tap on this setting icon right over here. After that, go to capturing and then simply tap on the option all. And if you want, you can also record in the background while I'm playing in the game, but for now I'll simply skip this process. Now as you can see, this is the record option right over here, and if you want, the shortcut is simply Windows Alt R. You'll have to simply tap on those three at the same time. So let me simply back out. And then, as you already know, this feature won't record your screen as nothing is open. So if you want, you can record all the screens such as your file explorer, your games, etc. So once you're on any site, simply tap on the option Windows Alt R. Now once you tap on all of those three options, you can see this recording option right over here. So you can do whatever you like. So let me simply show you an example. This is how you record screen. So let me simply close this by simply tapping this option right over here which says stop recording. After that, as you can see, game clip recorded. Now to view your file, all you have to do is go to Windows Z. After that, tap on the option see my captures. Now this is the capture we just made, so simply tap on it. And now let me play it over here. So as you can see, this is the screen which we just recorded previously. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.